Hey guys, welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic. My name's Thomas. In today's video, we're headed out to look at a 2003 Ford Expedition. We're going to be changing the front hub assembly. You know, with the wheel bearing hub all put together. I think it's on the driver's side. The woman said her tire's about to fall off, so I guess it's pretty bad. I charged her 2 hours labor. It's $200. And this should be about right, I think. We're working for a friend, actually. It's one of the waitresses at Smoky Bones, which is a restaurant that I go to way too much. So we're helping her out. But friends and family, no discount, sorry. If you want to learn how to replace your front hub assembly on your 2003 Ford Expedition, stay tuned, because we're starting right now. All right, guys, we just got on scene here, talked to the customer, got the money, got the keys, got the part, and here's our vehicle, 2003 Ford Expedition. That tire. We're gonna be doing this side. I guess there's gonna be other mechanics here working on other vehicles. So we're gonna have some company. That's not awkward at all, like me recording this, talking to a camera, while 2 guys are behind me thinking, what the fuck's this guy doing? All right, I'll drag out some tools here. It's looking rough. Yeah. All right, well, we know they busted loose, so that's good. So, worried about that. Let's go ahead and chalk it. Usually you chalk the opposite side, or I do at least, but that one's flat, so it's not going anywhere. Go ahead and get this vehicle jacked up. Get you a jack stand under there as well, so we can start tearing into this. Got under here, jacked it up right there. Come around the front. Got us a jack stand down there in the middle. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and finish taking the rest of these bolts off. Look at this. From where it was rubbing. Look at all that. My Lord. Where it tore it all up. So she needs an upper control arm. Oh, that's stupid to dry. That was so stupid. Almost looks new, don't it? But it's where it rubbed. Made it look almost new. Let's start doing what we've been hired to do. All right, now you got the tire off. Next thing we're gonna do before we take off the brake caliper or anything like that is take this off. Just this little cap right here. This is the end of the spline, so we should be able to remove this, and it'll be should be a 13mm nut. So far, the only thing we've used is 21mm for the lug nuts. I think this one's going to be a 13mm. I'm pretty sure the brake caliper and the wheel bearing assembly should all be 18mm. So hopefully that's all you need. So we're going to use a little punch here and a hammer. There, well, see, there's a 13mm right there. That is the end of your axle here. I dented mine a little too much. You don't want to do that. All right, 13mm. Let's see. Yep. Comes right off. Perfect. Now we're going to come back here to these caliper bolts. Where are they at? Right here. There, and wherever the other one is, I can't even see it at the bottom here. All right. Before we take the caliper bolts off, see this brake line right here? When we take this off, we don't want it to stretch the line. Last thing we want to do is damage the caliper or the brake line. There's 2 bolts here. We got an 8mm and a 10mm. It's a bracket. It's holding these lines up. We're going to go ahead and take these off. That way we have a little bit more room. We got a 10mm. Perfect. And let's switch over to our 8mm. There we go. Perfect. This gives us a little bit more room. See what I mean? All right, now go ahead and finish taking out these caliper bolts. Now that we got this moved out of the way, we can actually get our impact behind here. Something fierce there. Well, look at this. I feel like everything is about to go. Look at this. Oh, shit. Is the bearing coming with it? I'll take this bottom one off as well. That's how bad it is. Let's see. Oh, that wasn't good. It actually fell, right? But because we took this line off, there was no damage. If I wouldn't have taken that line off and it fell down like that, that could have pulled that real bad. But see, they're still slack. Shredded that one. That's from where they was driving it. All right. Oh boy, look at the damage of the rotor. Look at the back of that rotor. Holy shit. And they don't have a replacement. My Lord, boys. Look at this. Look. Not good, right? I need to look and make sure ours has the new ABS sensor. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to try to take this out somehow. Alright, good thing is we don't have to mess with that one because our new one comes with us, see? Only thing we have to do with this one is actually just cut this. What is that? Oh, sheared plumb off too. That's part of the knuckle, it looks like. Oh my lord, metal. Jeez. Look. This is serious, boys. Just cut it right here. See this line right here? That's for where it goes down in there. Pretty cool, huh? Now we can just pull it out, take it off all this stuff right here. Just like that. So if you trace it all the way up, it goes to right here. Right? Push on the tab on the other side where my finger is, and it comes out. See right here? Just push on that right there. So that's where the new one will plug into. It'll run from there all the way down into a new hub. Now I've plugged it from everything. There you go. That's all of it right there. And we'll just route it up the same way when we put it in. We'll plug it right into our little sensor right there. That way they can drive it. Like we got this going on. Got this, it's fucking shaved in half. Look at this caliper. This is just shredded. Look, it's supposed to go through here. Look how much it's grinded. Right there. Oh my God, look. So they need a caliper and an upper control arm. Oh, they're gonna be real happy with that. Looks like there's a ground wire. Well, this ain't even starting. But do my job first, and then tell them about these other ones. I don't want to stop. I'm gonna tell them about this one, and then they'll be like, all right, just cancel everything. And I'll be out this money. This is the first bolt we got right there. See if we can get this loose here. There it goes. There we go. Now that one out. On to the next here. Right there. All right, let's get this one shot here. There we go. Yeah, these people need the whole kit and caboodle. Alright, so they need the caliper, upper control arm, rotors, and brakes. Even though it's a full pad, it is, looks like it shredded it. Maybe a knuckle. This tire rod might be good. I need a hammer for this. It makes it probably a little bit easier. Appreciate you guys spending the day with me. My mobile mechanic work day. We have them slated for 2 hours. We're still on track. Alright, there we go. Hold it here, we're gonna big old hammer shot. Damn, look at that. Are we supposed to get a nut on that? Look at that. That's from where she was driving it. Alright, let's go and take this out here. There we go. Look at that damage. Look at that. This right here has to come off too. It's supposed to come off with one. Look, there's the new one, right? It's separated. You see this? This part is this part. So now we're gonna have to try to take us a punch and go ahead and hit down in here, work our way around so we can get this part off. That's what we're going to now. All right, here we go. I'm gonna use my punch or chisel, whatever you call it. Got my hammer. You can see where it separates, right where it connects. Over. There we go. All right, here's our progress report. Elapsed time has been 10 minutes. We made real good progress right here. I mean, we're getting close. We have to be getting close. Right here, look. Oh, money shot. Knew we'd never miss it. We're pros. Well, we got it off. So, what we're gonna do now, take a wire brush, take something, and just clean this up a little bit. Then we're gonna put our new one on. I'm gonna throw in some grease. That's it, dude. You just put it on reverse order. Quite simple. You got it from here, right? And that is how you replace a wheel bearing hub assembly 2003 Ford Expedition. And to be honest, it's like with 90% of the cars out there, it's exactly the same way. All right, guys, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We're right at 30,000. Hopefully, when you're watching this, we've already crossed the 30,000 threshold. But if we haven't, make sure you subscribe so we can get there. If you guys want to support the channel, I'll have my Cash App up here. If you guys need to get a hold of me, I'll have my email up here. Also, everything's down in the video descriptions as well. A lot of you guys like sending tools, and I love it. Keep sending them. If you do, you don't. You know I love you guys. And like we always say, Semper Fi. Till next time.